Well, we are continuing our Black History Month coverage and talking with a very well-established woman, Tennessee State University President, Dr. Glenda Glover.
Yes.
Yay.
Today we are talking sorority and Greek life, HBCUs, and how countless Black sisters have made history. This is well after college days, so thank you so much for joining us. Okay, first of all, we have to talk about your time as an Alpha Kappa Alpha, AKA, and the impact it's made on your life.
Well, thank you, and thank you for inviting me. Well, I initially became a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha when I was a student at Tennessee State University in the 70s. And this is a full circle moment for me, because not only did I come back to be president of Tennessee State University, which is just phenomenal to come back and lead the university that gave me my start, but also to become president, international president of Alpha Kappa Alpha. That is so amazing. It is such a blessing to be able to lead the organization. And I just ended my term as international president, and impactful with the sorority members, where we focused on quite a few things that were just so special to me. One is the HBCU connection, how we raised $25 million for HBCUs, of which we raised $2.5 million just one day.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing. And you know, it's so amazing that these connections that you make last throughout your whole life. What has the camaraderie been like for you and for other members?
Well, the camaraderie, I guess, we can bring the Divine Nine, because there are 9 Greek-led organizations that are African American, and we wear different colors, but we have a similar objective. We all want to serve the community, because you know the Divine Nine came about at a time when African Americans were not accepted in many places. So we want to uplift the Black women and Black men in the United States. So we have professional programs of service, and just kept it going to social justice to make sure that there was participation, wide-scale participation, broad participation across the United States.
Today is officially the last day of Black History Month, even though we all know it continues on throughout the entire year. But I want to talk about those trailblazers making history, AKA sisters like Vice President Kamala Harris, Maya Angelou, Rosa Parks. What does it mean to call these women sisters? Oh,
it's just amazing. It's awesome. All of them are just trailblazers. They're bad women in their own right. Yeah. There are so many others whose names we don't mention a lot, so we recognize them also. But we just love the fact that that the Divine Nine has such a key role in electing Kamala Harris, Vice President Kamala Harris. You know, just getting the GOTV campaign was, you know, you can't really be partisan and elect a candidate, but you can always get people out to vote.
Yeah, amen, sister. Yes,
yes. Yeah, wow. And you touched upon it a minute ago, but what was it like being the international president of AKA? It must have been, I mean, as you said, a full circle moment, but tell us all about it.
It's about the programs of service, and I mentioned the program with HBCUs. We had one that dealt with health, where we had a mammogram that went around the country. A mobile mammogram, a mammography unit, went around the country doing mammograms for women who could not afford them. Yeah. It was unbelievable to see the number of individuals who just couldn't afford a mammogram. They were so happy to see the unit pull up, and it was always people standing in line. And we had about almost 20% irregularity, which is good. I mean, it's not good for irregularity, but it's good that we met the objective of helping African American women, not other women too, to get tested early, because we know early detection saves lives.
No, it's huge. Yes. It's huge, and it can be difficult to get a mammogram if you don't, you know, fit certain things and certain requirements.
The insurance requirements, everything, yes. So we did it free of charge, and we did so many of them. That was so fulfilling, because that's doing something that's special, that saved lives.
Absolutely.
So it was really
bringing education awareness, so important. Okay, why do you believe AKA and other Black Greek organizations are able to kind of maintain their effectiveness?
Because of the role they play in the community, the social justice role, the role in the political arena, in the getting out to vote, not choosing candidates, but getting people out to vote, the educational arena, how we're stressing education at all levels. We focus on K-12, we focus on higher education, because we know that education is a way out of it. Many times when students come here and they come to TSU, they're coming not just to get a college education, they're coming because they want to escape poverty, to escape the idea of not thinking through what you're going to do for your future. And they get that in HBCU, and they come to us in record numbers. We're so pleased and proud that we can educate so many African American students.
The community that this creates. Oh, I have chills right now when you speak like that. Thank you so much,
Oh,
President Glover. You are so amazing. Well, you at home, if you are interested in going to Tennessee State, they are currently accepting applications for the fall. Visit tnstate.edu.